Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Containerization for AI, packaging your smart systems for easy deployment. Ever build an amazing AI model, only for it to act differently or completely break on someone else's computer? Today, we're solving that. We'll learn how to package your AI systems neatly so they work perfectly everywhere. Think of it as making your AI universally compatible and super easy to share. Imagine you're an AI developer, and you've just trained a brilliant model. It uses specific versions of Python, a particular AI library, like TensorFlow, and runs on your unique operating system. When you share it, your friend, with a slightly different setup, tries to run it, and it crashes. This is the classic "it works on my machine" problem. Different software versions, operating systems, and dependencies cause chaos, making sharing and deploying AI a headache. Enter containers. Think of a container like a magical, self-contained box, much like a real-world shipping container. Inside this box, you don't just put your AI model, but everything it needs to run. The specific operating system bits, the exact Python version, all the necessary AI libraries, and even the environment settings. Once your AI is in its box, it doesn't care what computer it's on. It always brings its own perfect, isolated environment with it. For AI developers, containers are a game changer. They provide 1. Consistency. Your AI behaves the same way, always, whether on your laptop, a teammate's computer, or a giant cloud server. No more "it works on my machine." Single quote. 2. Collaboration. Sharing your AI project becomes incredibly easy. Your teammates or collaborators get the exact same setup you used, ensuring everyone is on the same page. 3. Deployment. Moving your AI from development to testing, and then to actual users or large-scale services, is smooth, reliable, and predictable. You pack it once, deploy anywhere. Let's clarify two important terms. Container image. This is like the blueprint or recipe for your container. It's a static, immutable file that contains all the instructions and ingredients. Your AI code, libraries, settings. You build an image once, and it serves as the master template. Container. This is the actual, running instance of your image. It's like taking that blueprint and building the house. You can create many containers from a single image, and each one is an isolated, live, running environment where your AI can perform its tasks. While there are different container technologies, one name you'll hear most often and is widely adopted is Docker. Docker is the most popular platform that helps you build, run, and manage containers. It's like the specialized factory that creates and handles all those portable AI boxes for you. Getting familiar with Docker is a huge step in practically applying containerization to your AI projects. In summary, containers make your AI journey much smoother and more professional. Reproducibility. Get the exact same results every time, everywhere. Portability. Run your AI anywhere, from a small laptop to massive cloud infrastructure. Scalability. Easily create multiple copies of your AI in containers to handle more users or data. Isolation. Keep your AI's environment completely separate from other software on the same computer, avoiding frustrating conflicts and ensuring stability. Understanding containerization is a crucial step for any developer looking to build and deploy robust, real-world AI systems. It transforms your AI from a fragile, environment-dependent experiment into a powerful, portable, and production-ready application. Start exploring Docker and see how you can package your next smart system for easy deployment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.